Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to scan QR code in screenshot or photo on iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you may have seen QR code somewhere in your phone and you took a screenshot of it, as I did here, and now you want to go and scan it and go and use it. This is super useful. So all you need to do is make sure you're on the image like this and simply click and hold your finger on the QR code. It should then go and be scanned. As you can see, we got some option. We can share it or open it. I'm getting the option open in YouTube because it's a YouTube QR code, but I can also go and open it on Safari, just like so. And here we are. So that's it. That is how to scan QR code in screenshot or photo on iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.